guys. Today in Winlax Developer Series, we have Bingati in house and we have sales manager Mr. Pratik, who is one of the brilliant sales managers over there, who is with us. And in this series, Pratik, we generally ask developers 5 basic questions about their development.
Okay,
So with you also, we'll be having that round.
definitely.
Okay, nice. So just want to know when Bingati started.
So Bingati started in 2008 in Dubai Silicon Oasis, which was one of their first phases which they launched.
Okay.
We were known at that point of time as an orange and white construction team.
Yes, orange and white buildings. I hope you might have seen in Silicon Oasis.
So 2008 was the first starting, but after that,
Mhm.
it was a long journey. Down 2023, 24, we shifted to uber luxury projects like Jacob & Co, Burj Bingati, Mercedes, which was a 360 change in our complete thing. So yes,
Yes, Bingati is known for their collaborations.
collaboration.
Yeah. Also want to know about the owner. Like, who is the owner of Bingati?
Owner is engineer Mohammad Bingati. He took over after 23. Mr. Dr. Hussain Bingati was the owner, his father. And then this journey has been amazing. Since 25 to 26, we were the top in numbers.
Number of
17,000 units we sold,
very nice.
which was
Right.
top in DLD.
Yeah,
As you can
yeah,
see, that was one of the top listings.
Yeah, and the clients also want to know which all locations Bingati is having their projects in.
So if I talk about Bingati, overall we are placed everywhere in Dubai. Major locations, I'll say. We started with DSO, Dubai Silicon Oasis. Then we had almost 30 plus projects in JVC,
Yeah.
Jumeirah Village Circle. In funny terms, we usually say it's Bingati
Yeah,
Village
BBC.
Circle. Yes. After that, we shifted to Business Bay, where we have 5 of our major projects which we were selling. After that, we came up to Al Jadaf. We have IMPZ, Sports City. We are coming up with new projects now.
Mhm.
We are entering Townhouse Villas, which is towards Academic City, just on
Very
619.
nice, very nice.
So some projects we are coming up every year. Every month, I'll say every quarter, we are launching 3 or 4 projects.
Oh,
That's
great.
how our pipeline is for this year.
Since every quarter they are coming up with, there is one prominent launch they are coming up with, which is having a buzz in the market right now. If I can talk about that.
So Tilal Bingati is the first townhouse villa community which Bingati is coming up. Exactly located on 611 Emirates Road,
Yes.
just behind Academic City. Almost 10 million square feet. We are coming up with 4-bed townhouses. The best part about is that any townhouse you pick, it's G+2, plus we have elevators, we have lifts inside.
Nice, nice.
Starting somewhere around 1600 to 1700 is the plot size. It goes up to almost 3000 built up.
Wow, great.
And the per square feet rate will be amazing. It's 1300 to 1400 per square feet.
Wow, getting a townhouse villa in 1300, 1400 dirhams per square feet, that too with tier 1 category developer, is hard and difficult in market.
Correct.
Yeah, great, very nice. And I would say that if as investor or as end user, you want to get the fruits of first mover advantage, then this is the project for you.
Definitely.
Yeah, one last question. Want to know, like, what sets apart Bingati in terms of USPs, which I can compare with any other developers in the market?
So I'll tell you, see, Bingati is always known for the difference in 3 things, I'll say. First, we are known for 3 zeros. When I say that.
Yeah.
First is zero delays. We don't delay our projects. We give our possessions beforehand or maybe on the time of possession, which we usually
Yes.
say like 1.5 years. Maximum the project goes up to 2 years. Then it's zero cancellations. Whatever project I'll tell you, say it's coming, Tilal Bingati is coming, or maybe Bingati, JVC project is coming up, we will deliver and there'll be no cancellation.
Yeah, right. We can like trust the Bingati as a developer as a pre-launch. We can enter in the pre-launch with full reliability.
And third is zero complaints in DLD.
That
We are known for there's no complaints in DLD. We give our projects on time. We have no cancellations. Customer are really happy. They are back-to-back investors who are investing in Bingati because of the different type of locations which we have.
Yeah, right.
So that's why we are different. Again, modernized homes. You have smart homes. You have
Yes.
semi-furnished homes which we give. The best part about Bingati, I would again add something, would be that the customers, because of the quick, delivery, they are able to give quick ROI. Resale opportunities are more.
Yeah.
You can put the rental, you can get the ROI within 1 year, 1.5 years of putting your complete full cash amount also.
Yeah, I have seen rental ROI
That
is
is
really good in Bingati buildings because of their construction quality.
Minimum 7% goes up to 12% depending on location to location.
Yeah,
So that is
nice,
something you
nice.
can pitch upon.
So not only good for end user, but for investors as well. It's a very good product. And just last question, okay, that's a plus. We are not asking this question in our developer series, but since Bingati being Bingati, having so many good USPs, many of the clients are having a thing in mind that might be Bingati will be costly. I just want to know the entry price. With this, we will be ending this particular video.
The entry price 550.
550,000 दिरहम में आप बिंगाती ले सकते हो, बिंगाती खरीद सकते हो. So देरी किस बात की? Contact us today, write Bingati in the comments, and I'll be making you contact with Mr. Pratik. Thank you, Pratik.